Hey everybody! Michael, what do you have? Guess what time it is? It's time to open our Sal's box. Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Here we go. In your August box, get out, Micah. You will be starting cauliflower. Hello. Do we like cauliflower?
Yes, sir.
Cabbage, broccoli, old-fashioned cabbage. Okay, I'm gonna have to call Sal or email her and find out what the difference is. Oh, Collards. Do you know what that word is?
Bok Choy.
Bok Choy. I think it's a relative of broccoli. In peat pellets. What? You'll also find planting directions, info on fertilizing crops using nitrogen, which I don't know anything about, so that's good to know, and a cooling towel to use after all your hard work. Oh, what is this? Let's see. Nice, cute little note. And in this, okay, she says that bok choy is a delicious Chinese cabbage. So we're doing berry cabbage this month. Again, she gives we don't know what we're doing. We are in a subdivision. We don't have a bunch of land. This is perfect. We are novices. And also, she's going to do more blogging about this on her website. So go to salslocalseed.com and she's going to do more info. More info. Let's see. Oh, look at this, Micah. A super cooling towel. And it's purple. Okay, so what do we do with it? Gently okay, so you gotta wet it and then gently wring it out and snap it a couple of times. Not your siblings. Okay, let's see. Fall plants are heavy feeders. Nitrogen is needed every 3 weeks for success. Okay, so I'm gonna have to give this to my husband because we are still learning.
I put some nitrogen in the mix with the plants, and apparently those nitrogen is for greens and not for cucumbers, not for jalapenos, not for squash, not for zucchini, not for anything that we have planted right now.
We even had Sal come here and look at, I don't think she regularly does house calls. We're kind of needy. And she diagnosed some of the stuff. She was looking at it and go, oh, and you don't get any sun. So very informative. Why go and order things from a big box store? I mean, yes, it's big, but at Sal's, you get someone who actually cares that you succeed. She will answer. We go in there and look at chickens, don't we?
Yes, sir.
We like looking at her chickens. But we also pick her brain. And the people that work there are, other than Sal, are more than happy to share information with you. Go pick their brain. They're awesome. Take your kids out there. They'll learn a lot. And then, this was in, if you watched July's box, Coffee Cat Boutique was in last month's, an advertisement for it. I went and looked at their Facebook page. She does all kinds. I am in love, if you can see that. This one, the wreath that has the cotton on it and the canvas bow, love that. But she's got all different types of wreaths, and I also saw that she can do custom. She has a lot of them. I noticed when we went out to Sal's the last time, she had some of her wreaths on the walls at Sal's. I think you can buy them straight from the store. So while you're there picking up your seed and picking Sal's brain, which I know you want to do, then you can buy a wreath also. Super cute stuff. And we're headed into fall, and who doesn't need Indian corn wreaths and leaves, and right?
Right.
Our house is fixing to explode with fall stuff because I'm in love with it. Ooh, cool. Okay, so it is Jordyn Kossler Photography, and it's a coupon. Save up to $40. Very nice. I had seen her post and I went to look at her Facebook page. She does really good stuff. So this coupon is good until November 1st. That's nice. Who doesn't need new? It's back to school. I mean, you got to have pictures, right?
Right.
It's time for new family pictures. Oh, what is this? 3D. Oh, get out.
What is that?
This is a 3D printed. Feel it.
Oh.
She printed that. That is neat. 3D printed kale and green stripper. Again, I'm new to this. I don't know what a stripper is. Okay, so it removes the leaves from herbs and kale in seconds with this stripper. Isn't that neat? And look, it's all different sizes. Turn it this way so you can see your name, Kossler Hobby. It's upside down. That is really neat. Okay, so different stem sizes, you can just pull it through and it pulls the leaves off. That is neat. And if you'll remember in one of the other, like the past boxes, we got seeds for herbs. Mine all died. But if yours lived, then, you know, you can do it, use it for that. She said you'll be starting cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, old-fashioned cabbage, collards, and bok choy in peat pellets. So guess what she included? Because this is how awesome Sal's is. She included peat pellets. What do you think a peat pellet is? I don't know either. Oh, I know what a peat pellet is now. I've seen these, but I didn't know what the name of it was. And if I remember correctly, she tells you exactly how to do it. Like one step is place peat pellets into egg cartons. We have egg cartons.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna put this in an egg carton, and then guess what? We have cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, collard cabbage, and then this is bok choy. Look, Chinese. There's one more goodie that I saw in the box. Oh, fell out. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I've never used this kind of thing before, but I've heard all about them, and it's intriguing to me. If you've gone to any of the local farmers markets lately, then you've probably seen the company named This Butter Be Good. It's good, right? That's a good name.
Right.
This Butter. That's cool. Okay, so they do, since I saw it at the Blythewood Farmers Market, I did a little bit of research on them. And they do handmade skincare, wellness, and they do also like wearable jewelry, which are really pretty. So they included an inhaler this month. So this excites me. We use essential oils on a regular basis. We're all about being healthy as a family, but I've never used inhalers. This is an inhaler. I can already smell it. Directions for use: hold under nostrils and inhale deeply. You want to smell?
Yes. Oh wow.
Whoa.
That smells like lavender.
It is. It has lemon, lavender, and peppermint in it. Great. My sinuses feel wonderful. Do yours?
Yes.
Yes. This is good. And you know what? This Butter Be Good, it actually is. It's butter good. It's Butter Be Good. Okay, so I think that is our box this month. Did you have fun?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna have fun planting some of this stuff and using our inhaler. Make sure, I think that she said she had like 65 boxes this month. I feel sure that she would have more room for you to sign up for your monthly subscription. It's definitely worth the $27 a month. She gives you just enough. If you're in a subdivision, we're limited to 200 square feet. I think it's 200. And we have gotten plenty of produce from our garden, and all thanks to the garden boxes. So go sign up for your $27 a month subscription and you'll love it. And go visit Sal's, salslocalseed.com. Okay guys, thanks for joining. Bye.